Sound of sparking electricity, strained hum. Alex V.O. strained whisper just a little more. Sound of a violent surge, a blinding flash, a distorted scream. Alex Where, what just happened? Sound of distant rhythmic grunting, whips cracking, sand blowing. Alex whispering, disoriented, no, this isn't right. This can't be real. He looks around, eyes widening in horror and disbelief. Alex gasping, ancient Egypt? How, why am I here? He clutches his worn backpack, feeling the hard edges of his devices inside. His eyes fix on a scene of brutal labor, a massive stone block, hundreds of men straining, a guard striking a worker. Alex whispering, heartbroken, look at them, this is impossible. So much suffering. A worker collapses under the strain, another shouts in pain as a rope snaps. Alex determined, I can't just watch. Not when I have to do something. He takes a deep, shaky breath, slowly reaching into his backpack. He pulls out a sleek, glowing tablet. His finger brushes the screen. Sound of a loud, authoritative yell in an ancient tongue. Alex freezes. He looks up. A heavily robed figure, an overseer, is staring directly at him, a glint of suspicion in his eyes.